In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email newsletter in Canva with clickable links. Crafting engaging newsletters is essential for connecting with your audience and sharing your content effectively, and Canva makes this process simple, fun, and professional. Let's dive right in and explore each step of the creation process. First, head over to Canva's homepage. Once there, navigate to the search bar and type in newsletter. This will lead you to a wide selection of pre-designed newsletter templates. Each template has its own unique style and layout, so take your time browsing through them to find one that best suits your needs and matches your brand's aesthetic. Once you've selected a template, click on the Customize this template button to open it in Canva's editor. Here, you'll have all the tools you need to make your newsletter truly your own. Inside the template, you may see placeholder text, such as a section for a website URL. Personalize this by replacing the existing link with your own. Simply click on the text containing the URL and type or paste the address you want your readers to visit. Next, let's add links to other sections of your newsletter. Click on the three-dot menu, which reveals additional editing options, then select Link. This allows you to make text or image elements interactive by adding hyperlinks. Paste or type the URL you want to use and make sure it's correct, as even a small typo can misdirect your audience. Once you've added your links, click Done to save them. Always double check your links using Canva's preview feature to ensure everything works correctly and no links are broken. This step ensures your newsletter is fully functional before sharing. When you're satisfied with the design and links, download your newsletter in your preferred format and share it via your email service. Congratulations! You've successfully created a stylish, clickable newsletter in Canva. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also improves engagement by guiding your readers directly to the web pages you want. Canva's user-friendly tools make it simple to replicate, update, or adjust your newsletter for future campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.